Hiccups may seem like a minor annoyance, but for some people, they can be incredibly uncomfortable and even distressing. What causes them? And more importantly, how do you stop them? Today, we're going to share an ancient Indian breathing technique that could help you stop hiccups in under a minute, without medication, without side effects, and without any fancy equipment. Hiccups are involuntary spasms of the diaphragm, the muscle that sits between your chest and abdomen. These sudden contractions are usually harmless and go away on their own within a few seconds or minutes. But sometimes, they stick around. And that's when they become a problem. Hiccups can be triggered by eating too quickly, consuming spicy, acidic, or greasy foods, drinking carbonated or alcoholic beverages, certain medications like dopamine, azithromycin, or dexamethasone, even emotional stress or excitement. People often try drinking cold water or holding their breath. And while these can help occasionally, they're not always effective. But here's something you probably haven't tried. This simple breathing technique from Indian yoga practices has helped many people stop hiccups almost instantly. Here's how to do it. Stand straight, take a deep breath in. Now exhale fully. Completely push the air out of your lungs. As you breathe out, pull your belly in toward your spine. Tuck your chin down so it touches your chest. Hold this position, without inhaling, for 20 to 30 seconds. Then slowly inhale, relax your stomach, and return your head to a normal position. This is something like Bahya Pranayam, the ancient Indian yoga practice. Repeat this process 4 to 5 times. In most cases, hiccups stop before you even finish the last round. If required, repeat the same. So next time hiccups hit, try this effective, natural approach. No pills, no gimmicks. Just breath, awareness, and a little ancient wisdom. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple wellness tips from around the world.